Well, it is National Popcorn Day today, and the good news is you can celebrate without feeling too guilty. It turns out popcorn has antioxidants, and it can be a great healthy treat in moderation. Founder of Eat Project Pop, Shaniqua Major Lewis, joining us this morning with a healthy popcorn recipe you can make at home. Major, good morning. Good to see you.
Good to see you again.
This looks incredible. You've got quite a story, and you're going to share with us an interesting recipe. Brooks was asking me this during the break. He said, I thought all popcorn was vegan.
It depends on how you make it.
Bingo.
And with all the big games tonight, people are probably looking for an easy, quick snack to make, so this will be great. Everything is plant-based, which is awesome because today everybody has dietary restrictions, so this is an easy snack to make at home. So we're going to start off with an organic, non-GMO popcorn. It's a yellow corn, and as you see, I'm doing this with my bare hands, so make sure you wash your hands at home when you're preparing your recipe.
Great reminder, yes.
All right, so we're going to use a plant-based butter. This is actually made with coconut oil and cashews. And you can buy it at any of your local grocers. So we're going to pour it right on top.
It smells like a movie theater in here, just to let you all know at home. It smells amazing.
All right, so we're just going to stir that up a little bit. So next we're going to move on to nutritional yeast. Now this sounds weird, but it's delicious. So it actually gives off this amazing cheesy flavor, and it's filled with B12 and a ton of antioxidants, and it's a protein. So we're just going to pour it right on top.
So it's good for us, and the flavor is going to be beneficial.
Yes.
Wow.
And you can just dump it right on there. So I love everything that tastes super cheesy, so this is great.
And this is something the kids can help out with, too.
Oh, yeah. They can help you prep all the ingredients and get it together and stir it, and it's not going to be too hot. You know, it won't burn them. Next up, we have a red pepper cayenne. So cayenne is a superfood, and a lot of people don't know that. They just think, oh, it's spicy. You know, either you like it or you don't. But it's awesome because it helps boost your metabolism, which I think we all need.
We all need, sure.
And it will help with inflammation. So if you have inflammation in your body, just, you know, sprinkle some cayenne on your food throughout the week, and it'll definitely help your body. And I like everything spicy.
You're turning this into a superfood.
Turn this right here. All right. And then we're just going to pour that.
If you're a Kansas City Chiefs fan or a San Francisco 49ers fan, you're going to love the red in this, I think, right?
And then we have our Himalayan pink salt, which is totally different from your normal table salt.
Yes.
This has 84 traces of minerals that your body needs every single day. So if you just put a little bit of this on your food, it'll go a long way. And it helps balance out your blood pressure as well.
Really?
So we're just going to put a little bit on there. And then, as you see, that was really easy. We're then going to just shake it up. All right, and we've got our handy bowl here, and we're done.
And voila. And that took us less than a minute.
Less than a minute.
Pretty much do.
And this is easy to do with your friends and family. And if one of these ingredients don't stick out to you, feel free just to mix and match and do whatever you have in your cupboard. So if you have, let's say, some fresh basil or some lime juice you want to put on here, you can do all of that.
Great ideas. Tell us more about Eat Project Pop.
Yeah, so I created this company right here in Orlando. So we're locally based. And I created this company about 5 years ago as a healthy way to feed my nieces a snack. And we have been doing it ever since, and we sell an organic kettle corn. So we use organic virgin coconut oil, Himalayan pink salt, organic cane sugar, and it just creates this perfect savory sweet dessert.
And you're offering a deal.
Yes, so today for National Popcorn Day, we're giving 20% off with the promo code New Year Pop on our website, eatprojectpop.com.
Okay, this is great. This smells amazing. I wish we could share this with all our viewers at home, the smell, but you can find the recipe on our website, so you can make this ahead of the game. Major, this is great. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Congratulations on all your success.
Thank you so much.
Great ideas. It's healthy. It's like a super popcorn food for us.
Yes, that's the perfect name, Super Pop.
I like it. I like it. That's it. All right, very good. We'll stay with us till the